British Thermal Unit. Short for British Thermal Unit, is a basic measure of thermal, heat, energy. There is only one correct size air conditioner for your home. Always try to get information about the right tool for your room. You don't want a unit that is too big, as it will turn on and off too frequently, and improperly dehumidify the home. Most of the money goes for paying heating and cooling. Carrier heat pumps provide the highest efficiency in air conditioning for the summer, and heating for the winter, all from one system. By combining the effectiveness of top-quality heating and air conditioning systems, Carrier offers exceptional solutions to keep your home comfortable through any season.